Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of refreshing around our koi pond area. It's over on our side yard. We have a little patio. We're also going to be working on that soon in an upcoming video. But in today's video we're going to be working on the little koi pond area. So let's get started. Alright y'all, does y'all's Lowe's have a drive-through where you can just drive through and get your wood? Ours does.
Very convenient, very cool. And let's go get some lumber, y'all. Lumber.
Alright, we're first going to grab a couple of these cinder blocks. We're going to make an easy DIY cinder block bench. Alright y'all, we're just going to pick out some rocks to refresh around the koi pond.
I don't know, we're looking for the white. I don't see any white. There's sand. There's some pea gravel. This is like that river rock. That's the real, it's like stone. But we're looking for the white. That's the regular white. They kind of match the other one. Them $11 a bag. That's crazy. Yeah. They might not have it on this one. Alright guys, this is the actual pump we use. It's a 5-in-1. Has the light, has the filter, has everything you need. Different nozzles for the water feature. Then we're gonna get some of this blue pond tint. Gives it a nice little blue look. And just some other stuff if you need any clarifier, any of that stuff. But you wanna get these right here? The little lily pad?
Sure.
This one's kind of messy. Yeah, we're trying to find some real ones, so comment down below if you know where to get real lily pads. We was gonna hop in the pond behind us, but we didn't want to get in trouble. She said, baby, go, if you love me, you go hop in that pond. I'm not trying to get on nobody's property. This is actually, yeah, or alligator. Awesome koi food. It's kind of high though. That one's only 15 though. Not too bad. What do you think, Ben? Yeah, that one came out of the package, so I might want to wait on that. Is it missing one? How many is it supposed to be? Yeah, it is. That might be the one that's missing. All right, guys. We didn't actually have they don't have the river rock we need. So this is actually a little bit different color. It's like browner. Our other one's white, but we're gonna try to make it work. And we actually got to get some concrete, like cement stuff. It's like in the caulk gun. Yeah, I got enough. So. Really cool DIY. So far we only spent $60, but we do gotta get the rock and this stuff and then that. So we'll see what happens at the end. So let's move it on. All right, we had to grab some of this glue. You're gonna need this to put the bench together. But like I said, this is a really simple project. Anybody could do it. Very affordable also. We stopped by one of our favorite buffets to grab lunch. Y'all, this food is so good. Alright y'all, so we're getting ready to start working on this little koi pond area we built last year. As you can tell, it needs some work, but let's get started. Alright, so what Chuck is doing now is he's just moving the water fountain feature to the other side
because we decided to put the bench right here. We're also going to replant that palm tree somewhere else because I don't think it's getting enough sun here. So yeah, that's what he's doing right now. Alright, so what you want to do first is just lay out where you want your bench and kind of make sure you have enough room for it before you start gluing things down. And then once you get it how you like it, go ahead and use that glue that we purchased earlier. And that stuff will, once you get that on there, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Just kind of make sure we want it right there. Then we're going to glue it all together. Alright, so yes, there are koi fish in here. But yeah, the algae has gotten a little out of control. The pump is clogged up, but we're getting ready to clean it out. And once we clean it out, 1 to 2 days, this thing will be crystal clear. So we're going to work on that in just a few minutes. What do you think?
Pretty cool.
All right, y'all, this is how most people would do it, but you know I'm extra, so we're going to add a little backrest because during the summer we come out here a lot and watch the koi, so we'll show you how to do that. It's very simple. All right, y'all, so there's our easy DIY cinder block bench. This is way cheaper than buying a bench. I think we have under $65 in it. Maybe even less than that. But all right, let's finish up this mess. All right, y'all. So we had that little bench over there. We're just gonna put it right here because we also like to sit right here. So we'll have 2 little seating areas.
We had a piece of wood like this. We were going to use a 2x4. Just got weathered over time.
Did not work.
Did not work. It's just like a little, I don't even know what you want to call it. Some kind of pressure wood. But let me talk about my beautiful wife real quick.
No.
Wow, she's pretty, ain't she?
No.
All right, let's go ahead and get into this.
All right, y'all, this is the nasty part. We've already came out here and cleaned this out once this summer, but watch how nasty this thing gets. This thing works like a charm normally, but it got clogged up.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
This is oh my God, it's pumping mud.
Don't put it right there. But yeah, once we get this bad boy cleaned out again, it will start cleaning this out. Alright, so this is a little patio area I was talking about that's on the side of our house. We're going to be working on this in an upcoming video, so make sure you stay tuned.
This is the hard part.
That grass is so green behind you. Oh. Oh.
Alright guys, there's a brick I got in the middle. I gotta set it in there. Oh my God.
He's going in. You're crazy.
It's very green. So yeah, I got this thing I actually dug with the shovel. It didn't take me about like 3 hours, but I put a brick in the middle.
Because it is deep.
It's probably 4 or 5 foot deep.
Yeah. There you go. Uh-oh.
Oh man.
There.
And what we did after that is, so we dug the hole. Then we went to a what did we go to? Like a pet store, and they had wood like this around it. And so that's what we ended up doing. We put wood around it, and we built it 3 high, and then we took the pond liner, and then we put another piece of wood on top.
The water is a little low. We're gonna fill it up some.
Yeah.
But
So
it does that over time. Sorry.
Ah.
All right, y'all. The one thing that we didn't get to do was get the matching rocks. We wanted to finish with more rocks, but they didn't have them in stock, so I didn't want to continue with the red rocks. So when we get some more white rocks, we will be continuing adding on to this and doing it like we had originally planned. And also, we didn't get to refill the water up because it was getting ready to come a storm. And if you fill it too much, it will start to overflow some. So we just left that alone. So just imagine it all the way to the top where you don't see that tarp, because that's how it normally looks. And you also have to have some stuff for the water so the chlorine doesn't get to the fish. So yeah, that was the 2 things that we didn't get to. But yeah, we'll update you when we do the patio. We'll show you how it looks.
Yeah. So let that run for a couple days, and it's gonna clear this pond right up. Got a little waterfall going.
We're gonna do some more to hide that, but yeah, just takes time.
Cause yeah, we just moved it, We still gotta plant our stuff.
That gives them oxygen too, so they love that. You'll see them swimming up under there too. They love being up under there.
In like 2 or 3 days, this pond's gonna be nice and clear. We actually got some color. You wanna throw it in there?
Sure.
It makes it turn blue.
Some pond tint, and it also gives them shade, so it's cool. All right, y'all, we got these little floating lily pads. We eventually want to get real lily pads, but we just can't find them anywhere.
Motorcycle.
But yeah, we're gonna put these in here for now, just to add some color.